All right, let me get started on the Shirelles at number 21 on Billboard's Hot 100 the week of June 15th, 1963. Down 3 notches from number 8. This song would go as high as number 4. Foolish Little Girl by the Shirelles. The Shirelles started off on the Decca record label back in the late 50s. Their first charted hit was I Met Him on Sunday. That went to number 49, number 50 on Billboard's Hot 100. A couple of songs followed after that. Didn't do anything. Decca dropped them, but a woman named Florence Greenberg, sort of a benefactor of sorts for the Shirelles. She more or less discovered the Shirelles. She formed her own record label called Skepta. She signed the Shirelles on. She hooked them up with a producer named Luther Dixon, and they came out with Dedicated to the One I Love. First time around, that song went up to number 83 on Billboard's Hot 100. It was a remake of a song that the Five Royals did back in 1957. Then Carole King and Jerry Goffin, Brill Building songwriters, they handed a song to Luther Dixon called Tomorrow. Luther Dixon liked it. The Shirelles, well, they weren't too pleased with it. They thought the song was too popish for them, not R&B enough. But Luther Dixon prevailed over the Shirelles. They recorded "Will You Love Me Tomorrow." It was changed to that name, and it went to number 1 on Billboard's Hot 100. Mama Said, another hit record by the Shirelles. Hal David, Burt Bacharach, and a guy named Barney Williams, they handed Luther Dixon a song called "I'll Cherish You." The title changed to "Baby It's You," another hit record by the Shirelles. Luther Dixon and Florence Greenberg, the head of Skepta Records, they teamed up and they wrote a country sounding song called "Soldier Boy," the Shirelles' second number 1 hit. Now let's fast forward to the summer of 1963. Foolish Little Girl. By 1963, Luther Dixon left Skepta. He went to Capitol Records. The production duties were handled by a guy named Stan Green, and he produced Foolish Little Girl. A big hit for Stan Green on the production end, but that was it. This would be the Shirelles' last top 10 hit. 1963. Foolish Little Girl at number 18 on Billboard's Hot 100.